Wondering how much space is left in a OneDrive? Here's how you can easily check your current storage usage in just a few clicks. Let's get into the video. First, open your browser and go to onedrive.live.com. Sign in with a Microsoft account if you haven't already logged in. Then, click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Then go to Settings, then choose Options. Go to Plans and Upgrades. Here, you'll find your total and used storage space. You can also click Manage Storage to view large files, empty recycle bin, or delete old backups to free up space. And that's how you keep tabs on your OneDrive space. A great way to stay organized and efficient. If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.